Hello. It's your girl, Angelina, back with another exciting adventure from a breathtaking beach. Today, I'm standing on the shores of a true paradise, and I can't wait to share its wonders with you. As I step onto the soft, powdery sand, I feel an instant connection to the rhythm of the ocean. The waves crash gently, creating a soothing symphony that fills the air. The beach seems to stretch infinitely, inviting you to explore its secrets. The water here is like a shimmering jewel, reflecting the vibrant blue of the sky. It's clear and inviting, perfect for a refreshing swim or a playful splash. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or just a beginner, the waves offer a thrilling experience for everyone. Walking along the shoreline, I'm captivated by the natural beauty that surrounds me. Towering palm trees sway in the breeze, providing a canopy of shade where you can relax and enjoy the cool ocean air. It's a picture-perfect scene that embodies the essence of a tropical getaway. But the beauty of this beach doesn't stop at the shore. Beneath the surface lies a mesmerizing world of marine life. Snorkeling here is like diving into a vibrant aquarium. The coral reefs are teeming with colorful fish, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a graceful sea turtle or two. As I explore further, I discover hidden alcoves and secluded spots where you can unwind and soak up the tranquility. It's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're lounging on a beach towel, building sandcastles with your loved ones, or simply watching the sunset paint the sky with hues of orange and pink, this beach offers a sense of serenity like no other. So, my fellow beach enthusiasts, if you're falling in love with this coastal paradise like I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button below.